Here we are going to do a video this morning of this 44 horsepower Allis-Chalmers diesel tractor starting, and then I'll come back and do I'll start off doing a walk around here first, and there we go here. Tires are very good. It's got a weight on front here, and it's got a rear exhaust, so I'll jump on here and try to. Does not have any smoke or issues. The engine sounds real good. So okay, show the exhaust coming out the rear here. Advance the throttle here. Now it's at the lowest idle here. Alright, and again, our price does include a brand new clutch. That's all this tractor needs. It's been fully serviced. You can move it around, but you need to have shut it on or off before you do. But our price does include a brand new clutch and with a 1-year parts warranty. Anyway, give us a call at Tractor Town here, located just south of Nashville, with U.S. delivery available anywhere in the country at great rates. Thank you.